my channel. It's your girl Iswa, and in today's video I'm just going to be taking you all through me designing a personal workspace for myself. So I've shared in other videos that I'm a full-time PhD student. I'm actually in my second year, and for the most of my PhD I've had to work at home because I started my PhD in 2020 just in the midst of the pandemic, and I've just carried on studying at home, partly because campus was closed. We didn't have access to campus. Usually they'll give us like offices and all, but we didn't have access to that. Fortunately, things are opening up. I've just kind of gotten used to studying at home. So I've been studying at home for 2 years now. I was just getting used to it. So I decided to design just a nice, you know, small, lovely, comfortable place for myself in my living room just to study and just to work. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be taking you guys through. Yeah, so let's get right into this video. The items that I wanted to use for this video from Ikea. They have really affordable things for students, for your home, and also for like kitchens and all. I got some cushions for my chair, my office chair, to help with support my back. I also got a cute little vase that I wanted to put an artificial flower in there. And as you can see, most of the things are affordable. This vase was just about 50 pence. I got a cute Tealight candle to put on my table. I also got some Tealight as well. This is the space that we're working with. I've already gone ahead to get some stuff. So I got an office chair. I got the office chair from Amazon. I also got some stuff from Ikea. So I got like a throw to wrap myself when I'm studying. I got like a cushion as well. I got this really cool sticker as well. I got these from Ikea. I got this really cool sticker that says never give up. So I'm gonna stick that up so when I'm studying and I get frustrated, I can just encourage myself. So yeah, I got this from Shein, and then I got this like to-do list to help me with like planning and scheduling from Poundland. I think it was about £1, and I got this really cool bamboo like table mats that I'm gonna cover the table with. So I got that for £1. So yeah, it's just a really small space to work with. I chose like this area of my living room because I have lights coming in from this window. So this is my dining table. I usually study here, but I just I guess I'm just tired of studying here. So yeah, so lights is coming in. That's my bookshelf, so I could always walk to my bookshelf if I need to get something. But yeah, this is what we're working with, guys. All right, so let's get going. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video. This is the look I was able to create with the pieces I got. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you all in my next video. Love you all. Bye.